What's up, guys? We're out here in the shop with another episode of How Do They Do That? Today we're going to be making our new Red Cat top brace. Now, as you can see, we got this side done, right? Then we'll flip it over, cut the back off, and then we'll put it up on this fixture and drill the holes in the side. I'll show you guys the finished project, and I'll probably show you the next operation as we go. Do that. So, right now, we're working on the final phase of design for our Red Cat top brace, because as I was doing the where's the mouse? Oh, there it is. As I was doing the installation video, we had it a different design, as you guys might have seen in another video if you're a Red Cat guy. We had a different design using the crossbars, but as I was doing the installation video, I had a better idea, which is this one. You guys are going to love how this ties in, and I'm going to take you through some steps along the way. So stay tuned. So here's one phase of the operation you guys haven't seen because it's not very exciting. But what we're doing right here is we're using this chop saw to cut our material into specified lengths. And as you can see, the slot right there is where the blade will come through. This blade has a protective shield over it, so I'm kind of showing you from the side. And this sucker here hauls butt. Check this out. You can see it kind of from here. Watch how fast. That sucker probably gets up to, I think, 4,000 RPM. I'm not going to cut one because you need two hands to do it. But this is a pretty cool chop saw because watch these teeth right here. As you pull down on it to start cutting, it clamps the part, and then you can move the part forward to the stop, and it'll unclamp when it's raised. See how that works? Kind of neat. I never seen that feature on a saw before this one. This is a Haberle German. Very nice saw. That's just one more thing of how do they do that. Right here, my dad's writing the program for that Red Cat part. He's importing the solid, and he's got to put it in position, and he's going to lay down some tool paths. Hey, what's up, guys? You may be asking yourself, how come we never see Avery programming anything? Well, I do program parts, mostly for the screw machines, because nobody else can program the screw machines except me, and I prefer to use Mastercam. I think it's a superior system, and once you know Mastercam, GibbsCam is really hard to use, and probably vice versa. So I let the guys use the GibbsCam program for the standard mill parts. If they need a hand, I do know how to use Gibbs. I just don't prefer it, but I am capable of using it. Figured I'd clear that up because all we ever show is somebody else programming. So we got one of these parts set up. What we're going to do is we're going to face off the back of this part, pop some holes in it, then we're going to move it over here to the fixture, secure it down, and cut the profile. So let's crank it up and see what's happening. There we go. Ah, yeah. We're throwing some chips now. Looks like we're slotting out the middle. We got to wrap it down slow because this is the first one. You don't want to get in a hurry on the first one. You see, this is how we make that angle. See how it's ramping up and down there? Pretty neat. We just wrapped up this one. As you can see, came out looking sweet. Now we're going to put it on the fixture, do the profile, and then we'll stand it up and check it out next. All right, so now we got this one stood up on the side, drilling and tapping the side holes. And once you guys see how this thing bolts up on the truck, you're going to be loving it. And that right there, folks, is the first one off the machine. Oh, the first right one off the machine. How you like that? Solid as a rock. We'll be releasing these real soon.